guys, today I'm doing a video on how to make your bike sound like a motor with just a card and a piece of tape. It's simple and easy. So what you're going to do is it's going to sound better it's going to be better if you have a thicker card. Kinda. This is one of like the hockey cards, but like it's better, and also better if you have stronger tape. It's a lot better. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your bike, and you see that ledge right there? You're gonna take your tape, stick it on the thing, and then you're just gonna, like, close to the edge, kinda, and then you're gonna push it on a little bit, and then you're gonna go like this. Put it through these, right through here, right through here. And then you're going to take the tape and wrap it around. Thing. And there you go, guys. That's what it is. And it works perfectly. And that's pretty simple. That's all really what it takes. Let me know in the comments down below how it worked for you, and if you liked it or not. I mean, it only really works, kind of. It sounds like a car when you're or a motor when you're going like faster. If you heard like those things like kind of like Jeeps or something, kind of sounds like that. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.